January 11th, 2021, Daily Math Review number 1. Which two teachers received equivalent ratios of apples from their total number of students? All right, so we have our teachers here down this column. We have our apples that received down this column, and we have the number of students down this column. So our apples received equivalent ratios of apples from their total number of students. So number of apples, and then the number of students. So we're going to do that, 3 to 46. So we're going to take a look at these numbers, and we're going to see, okay, which two are going to be equal? Here's kind of a hint. So we have 3 2 times in this chart here. So 3 to 46 is not equal to 3 to 42, right? So maybe we'll try something else. Maybe let's try Thompson to Smith. So if we do Thompson to Smith, Thompson's ratio is 3 to 46. And then Smith's ratio is 2 to 28. 2 to 28. Now, if we cross multiply here, I'll leave it there. If we do 46 times 2, no, I'll change the color now. 46 times 2, 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. You get 92. 3 times 28, 28 times 3, 3 times 8 is 24. 16, 17, yep, 24. Whoa, why did I just write that? There we go, 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is going to be 8, so 84. Nope, it's not going to be Thompson and Smith, so we already tried Thompson and Smith. Let's try someone else now. What if we tried maybe Smith and Theodore? You want to try Smith and Theodore? Let's do it. Or maybe we want to try, what do we want to try? Smith and Theodore? Let's try Smith and Theodore. Let's do Smith and Theodore. So 2 to 28, 4 to 48. So 2 to 28, 4 to 48. Let's see. 28 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. 9, 10, 11. So 1, 112. 48 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 96. So it's not going to be Smith and Theodore. Let's try, who else do we want to try? What can we look at? Let's see. So if we look at these, let's do pink here. Let's take a look at maybe, let's erase these. Maybe, do you want to try Smith and Brown? Let's try Smith and Brown. Let's try Smith and Brown. So 2 to 28, 3 to 42. 2 to 28, 3 to 42. All right, so 42 times 2, 484. Let's see, 28 times 3. 3 times 8 is going to be 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2, 7, 8. You get 84. Look at that. 84 and 84. Yes, those are equal. So our answer is going to be Smith and Brown. So over here I'm going to put Smith and Brown. And Brown. Woohoo! And that's going to be our answer. I'll highlight it in green for us. And that's it for that answer. Great job, everybody!